Hi guys and welcome to a new video. तो अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हैं best places to eat in Goa, you are at the right place because from local bakeries and seafood joints to fancy beach-facing restaurants from the north to the south of Goa, this video will have you covered. So let's get started.
Purple Martini and we're absolutely loving the view of the Anjuna beach. I'll just show you the view.
So beginning with North Goa, first we have a very famous restaurant called Purple Martini. यहाँ से अंजुना बीच का इतना खूबसूरत व्यू दिखता है जिसके वजह से यहाँ आने का बेस्ट टाइम रहेगा सनसेट.
We've reached Olive Bar and Kitchen and I'm absolutely loving the view of the Vagator beach from here.
Next we have another sea-facing restaurant called Olive Bar and Kitchen. Honestly, अगर किसी दिन गोवा में मुझे शांति से बैठना है, बीच व्यू एंजॉय करना है और even if I want to work from a restaurant, this would be my first pick. Well, this place only serves Italian and clearly justifies doing so. So if you love having authentic Italian food, you must not miss this relatively new restaurant in Anjuna. Well, beach-facing and fancy restaurants are good, but nothing beats the local bakeries of Goa. I randomly stumbled upon this hidden bakery in Vagator and loved everything I had here. I'm at this super cute cafe in Fountain House. It's called 31st Jan. आप maps पे भी डालोगे, किसी से भी पूछोगे, you can find your way. And I just had veg patties and also red velvet cupcake, which oh my god is so good. When you are in Goa, especially when you're here in Panji, you cannot miss out on good bakeries like this. बाकी यहाँ पे sitting area जो है बहुत narrow सा है and you can actually come sit, even work if you'd like. For me, honestly, it served as a perfect place to just sit, relax, take a break and get all ready for the day ahead. Moving to the south of Goa, first we have this very welcoming cafe called Carpe Diem, which is set up in a home. Just visited this cafe called Carpe Diem and I must say अंदर वाइब बहुत पीसफुल थी. It's run by a family who also lives here. तो यहाँ पे एक आर्ट गैलरी भी है, कैफे भी है and there's also this learning center where you can learn a lot of skills like pottery, gardening, a lot of them. So maybe you can go there to their website and check out those skills if you're interested. And खाना भी बहुत अच्छा था. बहुत ही perfect location है for working. If you want a cafe where you can silently work in peace and also get some good homemade food, so this is a cafe that you would want to come to. So lately I've become so fond of basil. So I ordered pesto fettuccine and it's so good. It's so fresh. एकदम cherry tomatoes, paneer. It has chunks of paneer, cashews and all of that. सब कुछ बहुत ही fresh लग रहा है. And even the smoothie, the fruit punch mixed fruit smoothie I guess. It's also very good. Banana थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है इसमें, but then rest everything is good. So far इस cafe की vibe बहुत शांत है. Especially because of the location that it's located at. So हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है and I feel like this is one very ideal place to simply sit, relax and even work. Well, Martin's Corner is famous for the huge-sized fishes that they catch from the deeper ends of the sea. So, if you're looking for good seafood options in South Goa, you must not miss Martin's Corner. Well, I did not end up eating here because there weren't many vegetarian options for me. Well, simply put, if you're looking for a great Italian option in the south of Goa, this restaurant is for you. So even though I'm super glad कि हम पाटलिम बीच के पास रुके हैं because it's so silent, but पाटलिम बीच के पास shacks जो है वो बहुत अच्छे हैं. Here I am at this shack for the second time and अगर मैं travel करते टाइम कोई food place repeat करती हूँ तो it must be really good. कल I had snacks over here and आज कुछ main course try करते हैं. मुझे लगा था नॉर्थ इंडियन अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ सी फूड मिलेगा, but I was wrong. Because food is such an important part of traveling, I really wanted to compile all my food experiences from Goa in a single video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, the bell icon, comment down below and let me know your go-to food places in Goa, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.